Hello, my name is Mr. Manzke, and we're going to take a look at Unit 1, Day 2, Page 4. These are some practice exercises. We're just going to go through the questions 1 through 6. So question number 1 says, draw and label a 75-degree angle whose sides are UT and UV. So the first thing we're going to have to do is you're going to have to make a vertex. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to take your protractor. Remember, protractor, this is your middle. It's going to go right on there. We first need to draw a ray. So we're going to draw a ray. Now, the first ray we're going to draw is UT. U is going to be my vertex. T is going to be the other point that's going to be on the line. Now, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to draw an angle. I got to look for 75 degrees. Now, it's going to be opening on the right. We're going to start at 0. And then you're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Remember, trying to get to 75. So it's going to be between 70 and 80. So halfway is going to be about 75. And if you need to make the mark above, we'll just draw an arrow there. Now, what you're going to do here is notice that the other ray is UV. So we already have U, so I need to make a point somewhere on the ray and call this point V. Okay. All right, so let's try it again. Okay, so we're going to take a look at question number 2. Okay, this one we're going to draw an angle is 110 degrees. So this time we're going to open it on the left, just to kind of give you a different perspective here. So let's find a point. This is going to be our vertex. Notice you got SR and ST. Since they both have an S, our vertex has got to be S. We'll put an S there. So we're going to draw a ray. Okay. We have S and then here's R. So I'll put R there. Now if it's opening to the left, okay, you're going to have to use the number on the outside, which is 0. And then you're going to have to go all the way around. So let's count by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80. Here's 100. And we're looking for 110. So that was this point right here. So you're going to draw your ray. And we need to pick a point. We got SR, so the other ray has got to be ST. So I'm going to put a T right there. Okay. All right. Number 3, we're going to find the measurement of the angle M. Okay, so all you need to do is identify the vertex, which is going to be at M. And this upside down T, that's going to go on the vertex. Remember, it's got to go on 0 right here. Now what you're going to do is we're going to measure. So we got to go all the way over here. Now if it seems short enough, it's like the line's not, the ray's not long enough, just extend the line there. Okay, it's okay to do. Okay, so your vertex is here, here's 0. So you get 20, 40, 60, 80, here's 100, here's 120. So between 130 and 140, 135 would be about right here. And if you look at that, 144, 133. So we're looking at 133. Because if you look, here's 130, here's 140, here's the halfway point, 135. So 133 would be just a little bit less than that. Now again, if you think you're going to need your rays to be a little longer, it's okay to extend it. Just make sure okay, so you can draw an arrow here, arrow here. So M, okay, so here's 0, Okay, so you get 10, 20, between 20 and 30. Remember, it's opening to the right. So we're going to say it's between 20 and 30. It really lands on that middle part, so we're going to say it's 25. Okay. Now for these, for number 5, now you're going to have to go through the options here. Now again, if the sides are not long enough, you can extend the lines here. We're looking for 73. Sorry for the bump there. So we'll start there. Now this one is just a little past 90. So remember, you're starting at 0 here. You're going over, it's like here's 90, it's a little past that. Again, if you want, you want to double check. Okay, that's just slightly past. And you can extend this bottom line, this bottom ray as well. But anyway, this is 91. That's not my answer. Now over here, we'll talk about types of angles later. But for now, again, it's kind of short. That ray's not long enough, so we can make it a little bit longer. And just extend the line a little bit. Now again, you're starting at 0. Okay, we're using the inside numbers because it's opening to the right. 20, 40, 60, 80, here's 100. Here's 110. Yeah, it's not quite. Again, you might want to extend the line a little bit. But like here, it's about 100 and about 105. So I'll put 105 there. That's not it. Okay, let's try the third one here. Okay, again, extend the lines if you have to. And then we're looking for 73. Let's see if this one's going to be our winner. So we're going to put protractor on the vertex. You're always going to start at 0 here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Here would be 75, 74, 73. So this would be 73, which is what we're looking for. So the answer is C. All right, last one. So then over here, we're going to take a look at this picture right here. So for number 6, we're going to find the measurement of 117 degrees. Now again, if the sides aren't long enough, just extend them. Okay, and for A, okay, we're going to start at 0 here. So go by 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80. Here's 100. And this is about between 100 and 110. Looks like 105. We're looking for 117, so that's not going to cut it. And again, you can extend the lines. The center goes on the vertex. This one here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Looks like it's 50. That's not 117. That's not going to work. Here's our next one here. Hopefully this is going to be our answer. Okay, so we're going to start here. And then we're starting at 0. Got 20, 40, 60, 80. Got 100, 110, 120. Again, here's 115 right here. So we're just a little bit over that. So that probably means that this is 117. Okay. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. My name is Mr. Manzke. Have a nice day.